Every day I wake up. This might be an odd time to even brush now. I have this friend who I talk about oddities with. Why and what makes things odd. What even is odd? Conversations with him usually go like this. He makes a joke and I get serious, or I make a joke which he doesn't get and I get serious again. Well, last month we had a similar conversation. We were talking about a sticker that I gave him as a memento and started questioning our identities. Doesn't sound like a regular trajectory, does it? What is a regular trajectory anyway? What even is life? This was exactly the kind of thing I was supposed to do for an assignment for which I am now recording this voiceover. So I went on a journey to find people who I could ask three questions. Who are you? What is life? What do you want to be? It is strange that everyone I interviewed asked me for hints. What kind of answers was I looking for? I don't know that myself. I don't know what I make of their answers now. They are different and not so different. Let's watch, shall we?
मैं एक सिंपल सी औरत हूँ।
Okay.
मैं तो ऐसे ही हूँ। मैं जैन हूँ और मेरा तो हार्डवेयर का शॉप है।
Okay.
वही सब आगे को बिजनेस का शॉप पे ही है वही सब कर। और तो दूसरा है ही नहीं ऑप्शन की।
मैं पहले किसी की बेटी थी, अब किसी की बीवी हूँ और किसी की बेटी की माँ भी हूँ और फ्रेंड्स लोगों की बेस्टी हूँ।
मैं जीना महावीर चपलोत हूँ। महावीर चपलोत मेरे हस्बैंड है और मैं टीवाई टीवाई बीकॉम मैंने स्टडी की हुई है। एमकॉम मुझे करना था पर शादी हो गई थी इसलिए मैंने किया नहीं, कर नहीं पाई। और मैं दहीसर मतलब मेरे मम्मी दहीसर रहते हैं। मेरी शादी थाना हो गई।
Okay.
Well, I would say I'm someone who's treading between the highs and lows of life.
मैं लाइक एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग और एज अ प्रोफेशनल कैसे बताऊँ।
जैसे भी आपके हिसाब से आप कौन हो?
मैं एक प्रोफेशनली में देखा जाए तो मेरा एक मेडिकल स्टोर है, मैं रन कर रहा हूँ। एक बिजनेस है एंड जो भी मेरा पूरा टाइम इसी में जाता है, मॉर्निंग टू नाइट। सो यही है मेरा जो भी लाइफ है एंड यही मैं हूँ। इसके अलावा कुछ है ही नहीं अभी फिलहाल लाइफ में।
I'm Kunal Wagmare. I'm currently studying MA English in Savitribai Phule Pune University, Department of English. Yeah, and yeah, I guess that's about me.
मैं पिंकी हूँ।
Okay.
I am Nivedita Prabhune and I am 23 years old.
I am Divya Kherani and I'm a software associate in Capgemini. Yeah.
So, a lot of answers. I am a female. I am 20 years old. I'm still learning, so I'm a student, of course. Then because I write also, so I have a different answer also. Like I am everything I read, write, and consume. I guess because I read that quote, so I'm like
Okay.
relating with that. So like I can say I am a hopeless romantic, but at the same time I'm a realist.
Okay.
Like yeah, I don't like to be in delusion, but I want to be in delusion. I overthink also, but overall, if I want to sum up in one word, I am like a scrambled egg, but which is scrumptious and tasty to eat for lunch.
Okay.
जिंदगी बहुत अच्छी है।
जिंदगी में तो क्या है, जो पढ़े लिखे वो सब रहेंगे तो वो इधर जॉब भी कर लेते हैं। जॉब है नहीं तो कुछ भी बिजनेस चालू कर सकते हैं वही सब।
ओके। और
और
हाँ, बोलिए।
और तो क्या है, ऐसे आराम तो कैसे भी निकल जाएगा मगर कमाएगा तो वो बिजनेस के ऊपर रहेगा।
जिंदगी एक छोटी सी है, खिलौने की तरह,
Okay.
कब टूट जाती है पता ही नहीं चलता है।
देखिए एक बहुत अच्छी चीज है, अगर जिस तरह से हम जीना चाहें वो उस तरह से जी सकते हैं। फिर हमें जब मुस्कुरा कर खुश होकर जीना है तो हम वैसे भी जी सकते हैं और वो हमारे हाथ में है कि हमें जिंदगी कैसे जीनी है।
I think for me, life is a constant battle where I think hits and misses are a part of it.
जिंदगी, हाँ, ये जिंदगी ऐसा है कि मेरे हिसाब से अगर आप विदाउट आयरन जो रहता ना मॉर्निंग को यूज करते हो उठने के लिए, अगर आप उसके बिना उठ रहे हो, मतलब विदाउट एनी टेंशन, वो एक्चुअली जिंदगी है।
That is a complicated question, but I guess for me, life has been like a ride, an impromptu ride, which you don't know where it's gonna go and how it will go. Maybe you will get a hotel on the way, which will have banging food, and maybe you won't. Maybe the traffic will be bad. Maybe it won't. Maybe the views will be amazing. Maybe it won't. You never know, and everything can be a good surprise or a bad surprise. But I think ultimately, wherever you do reach, you realize that, oh well, yeah, the journey was like meaningful in a way. You might not think so while it's happening, but when you do reach somewhere at some milestone of your life, you do look back and think, it was fruitful. Yeah, that's what I think.
मेरी जिंदगी बहुत कुछ है।
Life is a series of experiences and stories, sort of, and things that don't really make sense in the beginning, but when you look at it in retrospect, everything that you did was in one way or the other helpful, or like a building block for who you are, sort of, and hopefully in the future it will be worthwhile.
Life is something which helps us to inspire, get motivated, and achieve goals in our life, or something which we are living currently or dreaming currently.
Okay.
To live and to let live is life. Even though you are not living your own, even if you are depressed from anything, you don't realize how much impact you make in the world unless you actually see it, and it is for like over the years ahead long. And there is also one quote which I resonate with a lot, that like, okay, if it is a bit religious, but okay, if the god or like any universal entity, if they made all of these beautiful things like trees, butterflies, mountains, beaches, etc., and they saw you, they looked at you, and they said, "Oh, the world needs someone like you too," which means you're important. Okay, so just existing or being there is very much important. That is life. To be in the moment of time, to have emotions, time, experience, everything go through you. Because ultimately you are all of the experiences, moment, time that you experience all the time. Yeah.
मैं अच्छी हाउसवाइफ बनना चाहती हूँ।
मैं जैसा हूँ, मैं फिक्स हूँ कि हार्डवेयर की दुकान है, कोई
मुझे इंस्टाग्राम चलाने का बहुत शौक है, और इंस्टाग्राम पे रील्स बनाने का और देखने का बहुत शौक है।
Okay.
और वैसे तो सिंगिंग का भी है, बट लेकिन ज़्यादा इंस्टाग्राम का शौक है।
Okay.
लॉयर बनना था, पर डिवाइन कॉम्प्लेक्स बाद एक्चुअली में मेरी शादी हो गई, इसलिए कर नहीं पाई है। मुझे लॉयर बनना बहुत शौक है।
I think I want to be someone who lives a wholesome life. That's about it.
मैं एक सक्सेसफुल बिजनेसमैन बनना चाहता हूँ। ओके, तो उसी के ऊपर वर्क चालू करता हूँ।
I actually want to be head of communications of a motorsport like project. It could be F1 or something, most probably F1. I love F1, but I want to be a part of it in a way I can actually do something, and be a part of it through what I know, rather than just be a part of it for no reason. I love writing, and I think that Department of English gives me all the tools to do what I can do in the field of internal communications, and I think it will be amazing to be, in communications in future. So yeah, that's what I want to do.
मतलब ऑफिस में मतलब जॉब करना ये सब मुझे बहुत पसंद है। हाँ, और मतलब मुझे पार्लर सीखना बहुत पसंद है मुझे। और अपनी लाइफ में मतलब मुझे साथ में मुझे मतलब डांसर सीखना चाहती हूँ बस।
Oh, I academic wise, I want to be a good psychologist. I want to really be able to work in a field that I love and do a job that I love. And I would also like to be a good person, and I would want to be a good friend to everyone.
Successful in my career and achieve all the goals which I dreamt of.
Okay. Career wise, I want to become career wise. I actually want to become a physicist because I'm majoring in physics, etc. But I only don't want to do the mainstream thing. I also want to become like I want to do something in my creative aspects as well, like writing or singing, whatever, which I find a little something for my soul, or food for soul, as we say that. But overall, I just want to be a good person and like a kind person in future. Even though someone who makes even 0.01% impact on world, I want to make at least some impact on world.
Okay.
For the good, of course, for the good.
Okay.
But some impact on world, because ultimately I feel like if I'm not contributing anything to the world, then why am I even living for? Like, what is the use if I am happy and no one, it's not resonating, it's not reverting back in some other ways. So yeah, overall I just want to be a kind and good person, or a person who lives in that, mountain cottages, etc.
Okay.
That kind of a person.
All right. Thank you so much. Thank you for
Welcome.
answering.